Hey boys and girls, we're going to read the story, My Sad Dad. This is a reading comprehension story using mostly CVC words, some sight words, and a few long vowel words. You're going to need your pencil and some crayons for this activity. We are going to decode these words by taking a word walk through our story. The first thing we're going to do is use our pencil to put a box around our sight words. Remember, sight words are words that can't be sounded out, so we have to know them by sight. They often have some kind of special rule to them. All right, the first one I see, I'm going to put in a box, and that word is my. Going to come down. My own his my my again was he was. Okay, great job. All right, let's point and read those words together. My, own, his, my, was, he was. Great job, boys and girls. Now we are going to mark our CVC words. So we're looking for short vowel words. Here's the first one I see, so I'm going to go ahead and put a smile over my A, and I'm going to sound it out. Sad, sad. Great job, boys and girls. Here I see the short vowel word, mark my A, add, dad. Great job. Okay, coming over here, I see dad again. I'm going to go ahead and mark dad. Here I see a new vowel. I see a new word with a new vowel. I see the O, and I'm going to put a smile over it. Got. Great job, boys and girls. Here I see dad again. Put a smile over it. Next sentence. Boys and girls, what is that word? You're exactly right. That is dad. Go ahead and put your smile over it. Here we see one vowel. We're going to put a smile over it, and we're going to sound this one out. L. Fail. Great job. There's our favorite word again. What is that word, boys and girls? Dad. Great job. Put your smile over it. Okay, moving on. Here we have an O. Mark it, and we're going to sound it out. Not. Great job. Here I see another short vowel word. I'm going to go ahead and mark it with a smile. Mad. Okay, boys and girls. The next thing I'm going to do is look at this word, and I see it's also a short vowel word. I'm going to mark it with a smile, and we're going to sound it out. Sad. Great job. Boys and girls, we are now going to read each one of these CVC words. Ready? Sad, dad. Dad, got. Dad, fail. Dad, not, mad, sad. There are 3 words in here that rhyme. We have dad, sad, and mad. All 3 of those words rhyme. Okay, now we're going to look through our story, and we're going to go ahead and mark those long vowel words and read them. Okay, here's the first one we see. Remember, we mark long vowels. The first vowel gets a line. The second one gets a little slash through it to show that it's silent. Ready? Let's sound it out. Bike. Great job, boys and girls. Coming over here, mark it with the line, and then slash it out so we know it's silent. Let's read that word together. Road. Great job, boys and girls, sounding out your words. Now, let's go back and read this whole story together. Ready? My sad dad. My dad got on his bike. My dad rode. My dad fell. My dad was not mad. He was sad. Now, Who is this story about, boys and girls? This whole story is about one person. You're right. It's about who? My dad. It's about Dad. Great job. So write Dad in here. D-A-D. What did he get on? What did that dad get on? He got on a what? A bike. B-I-K-E. Bike. I am so proud of you. Now, Dad did what? Did Dad fail? Dad sat? Or Dad ran? You're right. It says right here in the story that my dad failed. So we're going to go ahead and color this little bubble in right here. Great job. Now over here it says, I think my dad is because, I think Dad is sad because why? Why do you think he's sad? Is he lost or he got hurt? It said he failed. He was not mad. He was sad. So he was sad because why? He probably got hurt. Like when we fall on our bike, sometimes we just skin our knees. Now, let's talk about what happened first. What happened first? Dad got on a bike to what? Go for a ride. So right here you would draw somebody riding a bike. Down here, what happened next? Dad fell. So show Dad having a bike wreck. And last, Dad was what? Sad. You could draw him like this guy right here. A dad with a little sad face. I enjoyed reading with you today, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed this story. You can always go back and reread this story with your parents for more practice. Remember, you need to be reading 15 minutes a day so you can be a strong reader. See you next time.